Hello everyone, welcome to Notecraft, where learning becomes simple and smart. Do you study for hours but still forget everything during exams? Don't worry. Today I'm going to share 3 powerful study techniques that will help you remember faster and score better. Let's begin. Most students read the same page again and again, but rereading is not effective. Instead, try active recall. After finishing one topic, pause, close your book, take a blank sheet of paper, and write everything you remember. Then check your book and see what you missed. This method forces your brain to think. And when your brain thinks, it remembers longer. Studying continuously for 3 or 4 hours sounds productive, but actually, it reduces focus. Try this instead. Study for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times. After that, take a longer break. This keeps your mind fresh and improves concentration. Don't copy full paragraphs from the textbook. Instead, use bullet points. Write only keywords. Draw small diagrams or flowcharts. Short notes make revision faster before exams and save a lot of time. Remember, smart study is always better than hard study. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Notecraft, and comment which subject you want notes for next. See you in the next video. Happy studying!